Hi, everybody. Cynthia, can you say hi?
Hi.
All right. Today we're going to be talking about farm animals.
Farm.
Can you help me think of some different farm animals, sis?
There's piggies and farms.
There are pigs on farms. You're right. What sound does a pig make? Good job. What other animals live on a farm?
Cow.
What sound does a cow make?
Moo. Moo.
Good job. What else?
I don't know what kind of animals are in there, but I don't know. Well,
Maybe a horse?
oh, I don't know. Horse.
What sound does a horse make?
I've never seen a house.
They go, neigh.
Neigh.
Good job.
Sheep.
Sheep live on a farm. You're right. What sound does a sheep make?
Neigh.
Oh, that's the horse. What about those sheep? Do you remember?
Bah,
Yeah.
bah,
Ba. Can you think of any others?
I did see one of my classmen kind of talk about birdie ones inside journal.
There are birds that live on a farm. What kind of birds live on a farm?
My David talked about red ones.
I have an idea. What bird goes cock-a-doodle-doo?
Rooster.
A rooster. Where does a rooster live?
Farm?
Yeah, a rooster lives on a farm.
Well, some roosters don't.
Some roosters don't. Some roosters live in people's yards. I've seen lots of people with chickens and roosters.
Well, Mommy, some chickens live there too.
Yeah. What's a chicken say?
Quack, quack,
A
quack.
chicken says quack, 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 quack.
Quack,
What
quack,
says quack, quack?
Ducks.
A duck. Do you think a duck could live on a farm?
I met a teacher. My teachers would talk about a duck on farm and swimming pool.
Yeah, they like to swim too. Absolutely.
Quack, quack.
So
quack,
now
quack.
that we've thought of some of different animals that live on a farm, I thought it would be fun. Maybe we could sing Old Macdonald Had a Farm with some of those animals. Yeah, you want to sing it with me? Okay, let's start. Oh, Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Oh, Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Quack, 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 and everywhere. Quack, 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 everywhere.
You're so silly. Let's try another one. Oh, Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some roosters, E-I-E-I-O, with a cock-a-doodle-doo here and a cock-a-doodle-doo there. Here a cock-a-doodle-doo, there a cock-a-doodle-doo, everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheeps, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Oh, Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, yay! So you guys can continue on singing your song with as many different animals as your kiddo comes up with. And next what we're going to do is we're going to make a craft of a piggy playing in the mud. So we're going to meet you in the kitchen. All right, guys, we are here in the kitchen. So for this activity, we are going to make a craft pig. And that pig, where do pigs like to play? In the mud. So we're going to make some mud just with some chocolate pudding. If you don't have chocolate pudding, you can always go outside, grab some dirt, mix it with water, and make your own mud. It's good for that sensory play.
And here?
Well, we're gonna use pudding for ours, okay? Does that sound all right?
Yeah.
Okay, Cynthia's gonna help me make some pudding, and then we'll show you our craft and the mud. Cynthia is working hard on decorating her pig. He's getting ready to go play in the mud. All right, guys. Cynthia has decorated her pig. We went ahead and just put him on a sheet tray to kind of contain the mess. Our chocolate pudding mud is all ready. Are you ready? Yeah? All right, Cynthia, we're going to go ahead and Mommy's just going to pour some onto the tray. And then you can use your hands to get that pig muddy.
Sometimes it gets good.
That's okay. Oh, and it does taste good. That's the benefit of using the pudding, is that they can also lick a little if they want, huh? So I'm going to let her go ahead and play with that sensory play. Be sure to click the link for more ideas and extensions on this activity. Have fun and have a great day.
It's chocolate.
Mm-hmm.